Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week. Google Classroom recently partnered with 18 different partners of premium digital content to offer add-ons for Google Classroom. Now, educators will be able to easily find, add, and use great content from popular EdTech tools right within Google Classroom. As a reminder, there are multiple ways to get to Google Classroom. You can begin in your waffle, selecting the Google Classroom icon. You can also navigate to My Apps and select Google Classroom from My Apps. Finally, you can simply type Classroom into your URL browser bar and select Classroom here. Once you're in Google Classroom, you're going to navigate to the classroom of your choice, and here navigate to the tab of Classwork. In Classwork, you'll see that we still have Kami assignment as an option for you to add an assignment so long as you have downloaded the Kami Google Chrome extension. Once you've downloaded that, refresh your page and you should see it available in this list of app assignments. However, we now have add-ons here in Classroom. So again, with your ability to create a new doc, a new slide sheet, or select one that you've already created from your drive, add a YouTube video, upload a PDF from your computer, or add a link to another site, you now can assign a formative, an Edpuzzle, a Kahoot, a Sora, and you'll notice I can scroll here, a Sora book, Newsella article, an Adobe Express project, a Pear Deck, or a Google Arts and Culture virtual classroom experience. Coming back up, I can select Newsella, and you'll see a new pop-up menu provided here where I'm going to sign in with Google, and this will be asked of you every time you sign into a new partner. And then now you can search for the content you would like to see, searching for something like an article or text set from our new Oregon 8th grade social studies. Once I have here, I can scroll to the bottom, click apply those filters, and then be able to assign any article here in English or also available in Spanish, and I can add that link. This works also for Formative, Pear Deck, Edpuzzle, Kahoot, and as always, Kami. Hope this helps, and we look forward to seeing how you diversify your options for assigning assignments here within Google Classroom.